In the next 1 second, the most destructive force in the universe could appear on Earth, not in space, not on Mars, right here, in your city. And in that single second, life on Earth will be changed forever in ways more terrifying than any disaster you can imagine. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 disturbing truths. First, what a black hole really is and why it's the most destructive object in existence. Second, what would happen to Earth, humans, and the atmosphere in just 1 second. And third, the mind-bending scientific reason why even after the black hole disappears, Earth would never recover. Stay until the end, because the final truth about black holes is something that could already be happening near us right now. A black hole isn't just a hole in space. It's the most extreme object in the entire universe. When a star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses inward under its own gravity. The collapse is so violent, so absolute, that it crushes all the star's mass into a single point, the singularity. This point has infinite density, infinite gravity, and it bends the very fabric of space and time around it. Nothing can escape, not light, not radiation, not even information. The point of no return around a black hole is called the event horizon. Cross it and you're gone forever. Black holes can be small enough to fit in your pocket, or massive enough to swallow entire galaxies. But what if one, just one, suddenly appeared on Earth? Even for just 1 second, the destruction would be unimaginable. It's a normal afternoon. The sun is shining. People are walking the streets. And suddenly, in the middle of New York City, a black hole the size of a coin appears. In the first 10 milliseconds, the black hole's gravity grabs everything within a 1-kilometer radius. Buildings within blocks begin to crack. Cars are ripped from streets. People nearby don't just fall toward the black hole, they're shredded apart at the atomic level. Scientists call this process spaghettification. Your body would be stretched into a thin string of atoms as the gravity pulled different parts of you with different strengths. Feet stretched into a thread, then your legs, then your torso. By millisecond 100, the entire Empire State Building will begin collapsing inward. Rivers of concrete, steel, and human matter would flow toward the singularity at near light speed. By 200 milliseconds, the black hole has consumed entire city blocks. Skyscrapers fold inward like paper. The ground beneath collapses into a perfectly spherical sinkhole. Subway tunnels implode. Water pipes burst as the city's foundations are ripped apart. Within 300 milliseconds, the black hole has grown, feeding on every atom it touches. Its event horizon expands rapidly. The pressure changes in the atmosphere create a sonic boom heard 1,000 kilometers away. By 400 milliseconds, half of Manhattan is gone. Just gone. In its place, a perfectly spherical hole with crushed matter spiraling inward at impossible speeds. The Earth's crust around the black hole begins to crack. Tectonic plates shift violently. Earthquakes ripple outward across the entire continent. By 500 milliseconds, the black hole has consumed 10 million tons of mass, and it's growing fast. By 700 milliseconds, the destruction has spread. The black hole's gravity is now warping the Earth's rotation. Days would shift, tides would chaos. The entire planet would feel the disturbance. Earthquakes trigger globally. Volcanoes erupt across continents from disturbed magma chambers. Tsunamis form in every ocean as water rushes toward a gravity anomaly. The atmosphere itself begins to deform. Atmospheric pressure spiraling toward a black hole creates massive hurricanes within seconds. By 900 milliseconds, satellites in orbit detect a horrifying phenomenon. Earth's gravitational center has shifted. The moon's orbit is briefly disrupted. The very tilt of the planet starts to wobble, and then at exactly 1,000 milliseconds, the black hole vanishes. Just like that. But Earth is now a different planet. The first hour after the black hole disappears will be the most catastrophic in human history. The massive sphere of missing matter, millions of tons of city, earth, and ocean, leaves a gaping void hundreds of meters wide. The surrounding rock, water, and atmosphere would slam back into the empty space to fill it. A reverse explosion of unimaginable scale. Ocean water from 50 kilometers in every direction would crash inward, creating a tsunami 200 meters tall. devastating every coastline on the planet. The shockwave from the implosion would be felt across continents. Buildings collapsing thousands of kilometers away. Massive sinkholes opening across the planet. But the worst damage would be invisible. The Earth's rotation, briefly disturbed by the black hole's gravity, would be permanently altered. Days would no longer be 24 hours. Seasons would shift unpredictably. The moon's orbit, knocked out of alignment, would slowly destabilize over years, and the Earth's tilt forever changed. Climate chaos, mass extinctions, the death of civilization, all from 1 second. Within 10 years of the event, global temperatures swing wildly, frozen summers, scorching winters, ocean currents permanently disrupted, crop failures cause mass starvation. The moon drifts toward Earth slightly faster each year. Earthquakes become daily events worldwide. Within 100 years, Earth still becomes unstable. Some regions become uninhabitable. Mass migrations create global wars. The moon's gravity weakens, tides become extreme. Within 1,000 years, Earth may slowly drift out of its orbit. Some scientists predict ice ages and burning eras would alternate every few decades. Life as we know it would no longer be possible. All from a black hole that existed for just 1 second. But here's what almost nobody talks about. Tiny primordial black holes, formed at the beginning of the universe, may still exist today. Some could be the size of an atom, some smaller than a grain of sand. Some could be passing through our solar system right now. In 2020, scientists discovered evidence that a microscopic black hole might have passed through the Earth without us even noticing. NASA estimates that thousands of these primordial black holes could exist in our galaxy. What if one of them one day came too close to Earth? It wouldn't need to appear on our planet. It would just need to pass through it. And the consequences would be the same, maybe worse. Because unlike in this video, we wouldn't see it coming. If this video disturbed you, good. That means you're paying attention. Subscribe to MythicNeuron for more terrifying truths the universe doesn't want you to know. And comment below, if a black hole appeared in your city right now and you had only 30 seconds to escape, where would you run? Stay curious. Stay afraid. Because somewhere out there in the cosmos, a black hole might already be heading our way.